Welcome back to day 3 of our 30-day English challenge. If you did day 1 roadmap and day 2 shadowing practice, incredible work. You're building real momentum. If you're joining us today for the first time, you're not late. Jump right in. Today we're doing something different and super important. We're going to diagnose exactly why you're stuck in English right now and fix all 7 problems before your eyes. This is the video that will unlock your speaking. Most learners never figure out these 7 roadblocks. Today, you will. Let's get started. Problem number 1. You're waiting for perfection before speaking. You think I need perfect grammar first, perfect vocabulary first, perfect pronunciation first. This is completely wrong. Fluency comes from messy practice, not perfect preparation. Solution: speak now with what you know. Mistakes are your best teacher. Problem number 2. Studying in random order. One day grammar, one day vocabulary, one day listening, then you quit. Solution: follow one simple daily system. 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes vocabulary, 5 minutes reading. Same order every day. Problem number 3. Too much translation in your head. You hear English, but immediately translate to Urdu, then speak English again. This kills your speed. Solution: train your brain to think directly in English sounds first, meaning second. Shadowing from day 2 fixes this permanently. Problem number 4. No daily consistency. You study hard for 3 days, then skip a week, then study 2 days, then disappear. Solution: commit to 20 minutes every single day, no matter what. Even 5 minutes on busy days keeps momentum alive. Problem number 5. Passive watching instead of active practice. You watch English videos but never repeat, never shadow, never speak along. Solution: every video you watch, repeat 3 sentences out loud. Turn passive entertainment into active training. Problem number 6. Focusing on rare words instead of high-frequency words. Learning photosynthesis before hello, thank you, please. Solution: master the 1,000 most common English words first. They cover 90% of conversations. Problem number 7. The fear factor. You're scared to sound stupid, scared to make mistakes, scared to speak with confidence. Solution: remember this truth. Every single fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes first. Embrace errors as progress markers. Now let me prove this works with a quick exercise. Take these 5 common situations where people get stuck, and I'll give you instant solutions you can use today. Situation 1. Meeting someone new. Problem: you panic and forget basic greetings. Solution: your 3 go-to phrases: nice to meet you, great to see you, how's it going? Practice these 3 right now. Situation 2. Ordering food. Problem: you understand the menu but freeze when waiter asks. Solution: 4 magic phrases: can I have the chicken please? Water no ice. Check please. Thank you very much. Situation 3. Asking for help. Problem: you need directions but too shy to ask. Solution: simple template: excuse me, where is the Can you help me please? Thank you so much. Situation 4. Phone calls. Problem: can't understand fast speech on calls. Solution: 3 survival phrases: can you speak slower please? Can you repeat that? I'll call you back. Situation 5. Job interviews. Problem: nervous, forget everything you practiced. Solution: 3 confidence builders. I'm excited to be here. I enjoy learning new things. Thank you for this opportunity. Here's your breakthrough homework, the 7-day anti-stuck challenge. Every day this week, fix 1 problem. Day 1, speak 1 messy sentence. Day 2, do your 20-minute routine. Day 3, no translation, just repeat sounds. Continue through all 7. Quick recap of today's 7 problems and solutions so you never forget. 1. Speak messy now. 2. Daily system. 3. no translation. 4. Daily consistency. 5. Active practice. 6. Common words first. 7. Embrace mistakes. If this video helped you identify why you're stuck, here's your action plan right now. Number 1. Like this video because you just unlocked your English progress. Number 2. Subscribe and hit notification bell for day 4 tomorrow. 100 most useful words. Number 3. Comment below, write problem fixed, and tell me which number was your biggest issue. Number 4. Pick one solution from today and do it within the next 30 minutes. Day 4 brings 100 most useful English words for beginners, the exact vocabulary that unlocks real conversations. You're not stuck anymore. You're moving forward. Thank you for showing up. See you tomorrow.